Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have ultimate summer choices for you. Would you rather build your dream water park with amazing fun choices? But before we started, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's dive in. First question. What's your perfect pool vibe? Is it option 1, option 2, or the mystery gift? It's a minion pool. Amazing. If you could build your own water park, would you go for a Jigglypuff, a fast and furious Sonic Rush, or a surprise twist? You've just unlocked a SpongeBob-themed water park. Now, who's your VIP guest at this pool party? Choose your splash partner. What about the mystery one? It's a cute bunny. Wonderful. Summer fun is loading. Would you rather chill and stick pool, a Pikachu one, or the mystery surprise? It's a Minecraft inflatable pool. Pick your perfect Crocs for summer days. First, second, or go with the mystery one. It's a colorful unicorn Crocs. Nice choice. Let's ride the waves. Which surfboard matches your style? Left, middle, or mystery one? It's a Barbie surfboard. Movie time. Are you diving into the world of Little Mermaid, Princess and the Frog, or taking a mystery pick? It's a SpongeBob movie theater. Pick your fruit ski jet ride. Will it be 1, 2, or a mystery gift? It's a strawberry ski jet. Amazing. For all the Stitch fans, stop the stick in a right place so he can enjoy his surfing. How many clicks did it take you? Drop your result in the comments. Gaming while soaking? Yes, please. Pick your favorite jacuzzi setup. First, second, or the mystery surprise. This green gaming jacuzzi looks wonderful. Now let's upgrade your Pokemon theme outdoor bar. Are you going mystery this time? Great, it's a Pikachu outdoor bar. Summer is not complete without ice cream. So what is your choice? First, second, or go with the mystery one? It's a stick ice cream sundae. So tasty. And yes, even toilets can be cool. Which one you pick? What's hiding in the mystery box? It's a Minnie Mouse themed toilet. Nice. Slide time. Choose your favorite water slide. Minecraft, stick, or go with the mystery one.
Tung 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 sahur.
Time for a quiz challenge. Like this video, comment your birthday, and subscribe the channel for more fun quizzes. Let's back to the choices. Now, choose your ultimate fruit chair. Strawberry chair, orange chair, or the mystery surprise. It's a watermelon chair. Amazing pick. Let's move on. Which beauty kit has everything you need? Barbie, Tinker Bell, or the mystery one? It's a Cinderella beauty kit. Now choose your dream fridge. Which one matches your style? It's a Donald Duck theme fridge. Design your dream kitchen. What would it look like? Make your choice. It's a Mario theme kitchen. I like it. Coffee lovers, pick your favorite brewing buddy. Stick, Hello Kitty, or go with the mystery one. It's a Mike Wazowski coffee maker. Now choose your aquarium. What matches your style best? Wow, this golden aquarium looks so amazing. Tent time. Go for the Dino tent, the Hello Kitty one, or the mystery surprise. It's a Sonic tent. So fun. Quick memory test. Remember the position of the items. Where was the strawberry? It was spot number 5. Did you get it? Time to pick a cat tree. Which one your buddy liked the most? What about the mystery one? It's a pizza cat tree. Which sink is your favorite? Make your choice. First, second, or the mystery one. Wonderful, this looks so premium. Pick your standing bathroom. What is your choice? It's a unicorn-themed standing shower. Amazing. Choose your dream fireplace. Mario fireplace, Olaf fireplace, or go with the mystery one. It's a Minecraft fireplace. What kind of fruit-themed staircase fits your style? Which one match with your style? It's a watermelon staircase. Now for a cozy pick. Jake the dog pillow, Blossom pillow, or mystery surprise. It's a Sonic pillow. Here's a challenge for Sonic fans. Can you spot 3 differences in these 2 images? Time's up. Did you get it? Let's keep going. Choose your perfect lounger. Which one looks the comfiest? It's a pink owl lounger. What's your dream washing machine? Sonic, Minnie Mouse, or the mystery one? It's a SpongeBob theme washing machine. Great choice. Pick the castle that speaks to your style. Which one is your dream? Wow, this castle looks so dreamy. Choose your custom PS5. Which one are you claiming? First, second, or the mystery surprise? It's a Minecraft-themed PS5. Great pick. Time to glow. Which neon sign you hanging in your room wall? It's a Mario Neo light. Nice. Which oven matches with your kitchen style best? Jigglypuff, Bulbasaur, or the mistier one? It's a Pikachu theme oven. Lightning power. Sweet tooth pick. Which cake you pick to eat? Hello Kitty cake, Olaf cake, or the mystery one? It's a unicorn cake. So yummy. Pick your sweet sofa. Which one looks comfiest? Wonderful, this sofa looks cool. Now pick your flower pot. Which one adding more beauty in your home? It's a Mike Wazowski flower pot. Final round, time to take a ride. Choose your favorite motorbike. Amazing, this bike looks so sporty, I love it. Thanks for joining this amazing dream water park adventure. You did amazing. If you had a blast, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a chance to build, play, and explore more awesome challenges. And don't stop now, your next adventure is waiting. Tap the next video on your screen and keep the fun going. I'll meet you there.